Many people believe that holding in a sneeze is harmless. However, it turns out this common myth can actually be dangerous. When you suppress a sneeze, pressure builds up in your nasal passages, which can lead to serious issues like a ruptured eardrum or even a blood vessel rupture. Sneezing is the body's way of expelling irritants, and that's a crucial defense mechanism. Instead of holding it in, let it out. So next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember, sneezing is natural, and it's safer to let it happen.